go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to an unboxing first impression video on my channel. We are delving into the brand of DS and Durga, and this one right here called Bowmakers. Now, DS and Durga was the brand of 2022, 2023 for me. I probably sampled over a dozen of their scents and ultimately purchased several from what I tested, a few more without testing, blind buying. I completed a huge tester haul back in late 2022, 2023 of this brand where I bought 5 to 6 testers that were all around, give or take $100 for, basically this is what I got. I believe these are 50 mils. Yeah, I got a bunch of 50 mil testers, and it's much cheaper than retail. And I believe this is I think, I got a whole bunch of stuff to unbox, and that's why I'm kind of doing a lot of unboxing videos. I'm trying to catch up. Like, I'm still in 2023 mode here. I think Notorious Oud is still out there, so I still have to unbox that one. I think I did the grapefruit one, so that one's done. So I'm close to the end of my testers. Now, this is not a first impression. I did do a samples on this last year, early last year, March of 2023. So if you want to go see that much more in depth, of course. So it's not an unboxing and it's not a first impression, so a useless video, no. I like doing these unboxing videos even though it's tester's first impression, because it's been a year since I've smelt this. It's just been collecting dust, and now it goes from that area of the room to this area of the room, which is basically my area of, okay, now I can wear it. Okay, now I can test it for things like that. So it's kind of like that middle ground, that those fragrances I can't touch yet. I can't wear them. It's just the way my mind works. So anyway, so I've tested fragrances like Leather Eyes, Amber Totonic, Mississippi Medicine, Grapefruit Generation, Notorious Oud, Radio Bombay, to this one, many others. Grapefruit Generation, if I didn't bring that one up. Yeah, it's a brand that I think it started with Burning Barbershop, which is basically exactly what the name says. Artistic, wearable. It blew my mind. And then, which one did Amber Kiso was the one that just right up my alley. So it is one of those brands that I love to discover more. And like right now, the brand, what's this other brand that I'm delving into? Jeez, I forget. But because there's a lot on my plate. I'm really focusing on a lot of different things. But anyway, let's go back to Bowmakers. Now, Bowmakers, yes, I've sampled it. So yeah, go check that one out. So let's unbox it, quote unquote. Let's smell this one. It was released back in 2013. So it has, well, it just passed its 10-year anniversary. So 11 years on the market. The nose is, of course, founder and, of course, the parfumier for the brand at David Seff Maltz. So let's put it on a piece of paper. Then I'm going to put it on skin as my scent of the day. So let's delve into Bowmakers. Finally. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's... I love, and he does a lot of work like this, that he utilizes like resins, like a balsamic quality, and lots of woods. So it kind of smells like wood varnish. So it smells exactly what the name on the sticker suggests. And it's basically, picture yourself, at a carpenter's workshop. Wood shavings on the floor. You got all kinds of different woods. Stains, varnishes all across the room. I smell a little bit of cypress here. So you're getting some of that greenery. You get a little bit of citrus quality. And again, some woods do that. Cedarwood does that. There's some balsamic qualities, of course, kind of giving you that imagery of basically varnishes. There's a little bit of smoke here. I know there's leather in this, so it would give you that smoky, almost kind of like incensey. But yeah, let's wear this one. And I'm looking forward to wearing this one. Atomizer on these, yeah, not too bad. Cap's really tall for the bottle. It's almost as tall as the actual bottle. Mine's a tester. It says tester on it. So, well, you'll see that later on in this review. But Yeah, exactly what I remembered. And this doesn't move much from the strip to the skin. Getting a little more of a peppery nuance here, and I believe there's coriander in this release, so there's a nutty, woody aspect with some peppery aspects. It's creative, it's artistic. Uh, it really puts you in. And what I like about these artistic fragrances and highly wearable, very, if you like woods and you like the smell of varnish, you're going to like this. It's going to take you home. So it tells you exactly what the sticker says and it brings you to a place. And that's what I absolutely love from the brand of DS and Durga. Yes, he does this trick quite a bit on a lot of his fragrances and this is like almost a stripped down version of his woody varnish. Like I've seen that before in some of his releases, which is a neat trick, especially when it's a more complex set. This is more of a stripped down version, but I'm getting, you know, different type of woods. It really is bringing me into a wood shop. And I like that feel. Very straightforward, simple idea, but you're getting a 3D scent profile of you're plopped right into, and I'm talking about the machines, the varnish, maybe some woods that are, and again, it's all about, it's about, musical instruments with the varnish and everything. Yeah, just bring me there, right? Yeah, this is beautiful. I love the woody aspects, very dry, just creative, artistic fragrance. So there you have it. My thoughts on Bowmakers. And again, very short, simple, straightforward unboxing, first impression. I'm pretty sure my samples may have a little bit more detail on how this develops, but it's a pretty straightforward idea personally, but a really good one. Like you're not going to find too many woody scents. And that's what I think the varnish portion of it is what separates this versus the rest. There's a lot of fragrances that can give you that woody aspect and really make it authentic. There is a lot of woody based scents that are not really that authentic. This is really giving you the whole picture. Yeah, this is great. So that's heard my take. I'd love to see yours in the comments below. And I know that Durga has released a few new releases since 2023. So it is a brand that I have to revisit because I really like what I've seen. But I'm trying to, I like to share my nose with other brands here and try to go somewhere else. I've given DS and Durga a lot of press, a lot of love within my channel, Instagram, everything. And, if you're looking for a sponsorship, there it is. But yeah, Bowmakers is a good one. So I'd love to see the comments on what you think about this release. Not my favorite of the brand. I could probably name off maybe 3 or 4 that are ahead of this in regards right now. Would it make a top 10? Most likely. I don't think I've probably smelt at least a dozen DS and Durgas within the past couple years. But Burning Barbershop, Amber Kiso already has top 3 spots already, just on top of my head, I'm just thinking. So it would be kind of hard pressed to hit the top 5, I think, but it would be in the discussion of maybe, slotted in as my 7th or 8th favorite from the brand. It's in there. It's in the discussion. So I'm looking forward to all the comments. Good, bad, ugly, you disagree with me, you agree with me. I absolutely love all different type of comments in regards to the scents that I review. And as always, a critical fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your wood-based fragrance wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.